Hello there, this is Mark Summers again from Summers Technical Services. This is the third of three videos winding up our project here for the interface fits. I want to do a couple of quick comments. This is as far as the file management, you're going to want to make sure that all of your assignments, all the files, all the different file types, SolidWorks, Mastercam, everything related to the assignment is in one folder, whether it's on your Google Drive, preferably the U drive, so that you can keep track of what these things are. So this first file here, this is the Mastercam file that we just created. The E stands for an extension. E is education version. So if you got a real commercial version, it'll be an MCAM file, and you can't open up the educational versions on the commercial versions and vice versa. There's their step file, and my SolidWorks part is down there somewhere. So keep all those files in the same place. The other thing I wanted to quick comment on is this Mastercam file. The Haas CNC mill doesn't know how to read these Mastercam files. We have to generate what's called G code. It's just an ASCII-based text file that has all the commands that Haas machine understands, like going to coordinates, feeds and speeds, has all that in a G code. That's what you're going to take on your thumb drive to the milling machine. So to create that G code, you go back to toolpaths, or no, maybe go home. Where's the button at? I go home. Nope, toolpaths. Where's the button? Machine. Go to machine. There it is. Generate the G code. So I'll click that button. If you're using the home education version, student version, you won't have this option. You'll have to bring your model, your ECAM model completed, to the computers here in the classroom, and then do this generate G code. So I want to click that button, and it's going to have some options. I believe that they like these .nc files. We'll have to make sure, but we'll just use those defaults, and I'll say OK, and select the post processor. Whoop, what happened? G code, active post. Not sure what this is telling me. Invalid file name. I may not have that capability in my computer either. So anyway, once you hit NC file, you can have different extensions. I'm not sure what this is saying. Continue, yes. Not sure what's happening. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay. Here we go. So it's going to make an NC file. I'm going to go again, browse to my folder where I have all my other documents. Texas State, there's our class, there's the assignment, and I'm going to leave it the same exact name that I had for the other files, and say save. And this reader pops up, and we're going to be going over some lectures the next couple of weeks to learn how to read this geometry, this G code. And so it's got some header stuff on the top. Each one of these lines is just a line telling it what to do. So it's got X coordinates. And again, we'll go through this. All those toolpaths are all turned into this G code so that Haas CNC machine can interpret it. So that's that. And we can see over here, go back to my folder I was just in a minute ago, and go to Documents, Texas State, 3316, and if I sort these by date, the NC file should be at the very top. Date modified. There it is right there. So that's just that text file. That's what you'll take with you. It's a good idea to take your Mastercam file too, in case you need to review that before you go load it on the machine. So anyway, that takes care of the 3-part series. Get started on your tool paths, and we'll start making these parts next week.